Meet tongue drum, a unique instrument designed to bring harmony and serenity to your life. Its ethereal tones transport you to a world of calmness and relaxation, no matter where you are. Constant pressure from the surrounding does not leave any place for calm and harmony. With each melodious note, you're transported from the chaos of the city to a peaceful forest, where the harmony of the tongue drum blends seamlessly with the tranquility of your surroundings. Imagine finding serenity right in the middle of the local park, harmonizing your yoga session with the gentle melodies of the tongue drum. Each chord becomes a symphony of peace, synchronizing with the rhythm of your breath. Share the joy of music with the child through the tongue drum, creating melodies of joy and connection. Even professional musicians find inspiration in the tongue drum. Its tranquil tones transport listeners to another reality. Craft originals or cover tunes, the tongue drum is your versatile muse. Introducing the tongue drum, an instrument of boundless creativity, available in 3 sizes, from compact and portable to larger for a richer sound. Our double-sided design offers even more tonal possibilities. With 13 notes to play with, you'll have a wide range of octaves and harmonies at your fingertips, allowing you to express yourself with depth and nuance like never before. From humble beginnings in a garage in 2016, our team meticulously crafted instruments from gas cylinders and raw materials. Through relentless effort and countless trials and errors, we perfected our craft. Each tongue drum is lovingly handcrafted, a testament to our dedication to quality and innovation. Book now and find serenity among the chaos.